What's going on YouTube? So this is like take 4 or 5 of this video that I'm attempting to do. I got here the Snap-on EECT900. Oh, that's so much better than my digital camera. Anyways, I just a quick review, kind of what's going on here. Of course, as you use the tool, you've got quick access to your light and your switches here for positive and ground. Backlit screen. As you cycle through the menu, it's like a Rolodex. So as you push the up button, the next selected option is going to be volts AC, and it actually moves the menu, it doesn't move the selection. Your resistance, your amps, your settings for your switch voltage. I use the switch voltage in the volts DC setting almost every time I've used it. And this here, once you find a 12 volts, this will display here, and I'll show that in just a minute. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you, I guess the big thing is the settings for the switch. Yeah, let's go back. So bring the menu down, settings for your switch. You got what's called a momentary, which if you push the positive or negative button, it's going to apply said voltage. You scroll down, let's see, oh, this side, sorry. Now you've got latch, so when you hit the positive button, it's going to apply 12 volts or ground until you press the button again. And then you've got pulse, and that's gonna, it's kind of like a flasher. It's gonna use a pulse type deal. It's gonna apply the voltage and release it, and you can change your time here. You got quarter second, half second, and 1 second. So that's pretty cool. But what I like to use the momentary, just for what I've been testing, what I've been using this for. And of course you've got the button at the bottom, which is your audible. And I think right now I think this is on. My audible's on. So we'll go back to volts DC, and we're going to select it. And what I'm going to do, I've got my voltmeter here. This is the EEDM525ECF carbon fiber edition. Really love this voltmeter. I haven't been messing around with electricity for too long, but these tools are freaking awesome. So just like everything else, you've got, all kind of settings here, and let's be realistic. A lot of times the only ones you're going to use are your volts AC, DC, and your resistance. So today I'm using the volts DC. I love how the screen is backlit. That's really wicked. And of course you got your little kickstand here, but I got it sitting up against some old parts, so we're cool. My test leads I am using the Blue Point branded Load Pro leads that Dan Sullivan invented. This guy's awesome. Go check out his channel, watch his videos. He's really cool. But basically the Load Pro leads, when you're testing the harness, you can test the entire harness from the part connector. You can use this switch and it will load the circuit, and if you see a voltage drop on your meter, you know that the wiring is bad. So what I'm going to do, just for test purposes, on my Multi-Probe Ultra, I've connected it to my ground lead off my voltmeter, and I am going to touch my probe here to the Load Pro, and I'm going to apply voltage. Everybody see that? So basically I applied voltage, and I just wanted you to see that on the meter it is showing that there are 12 volts going into the meter and that it works as it says. Let's go to the menu, and I'm going to bring the menu down, settings for switch. I'm going to do pulse, and I'm going to do the 25-second intervals. Went the wrong way. Volts DC. I have touched it to my voltmeter in, and this is all just to show you what it does. So that's a little bit quicker. And then of course press the positive button again to turn it off. That's a little bit too quick for the meter to pick up on it, but it is what it is. I'll go down one more time. I'll change this to 1 second intervals, just for the purpose of the video, and do it again so you can see what's going on. And you press the positive button again to stop it. So pretty cool. But I'll do a little more of this as I use it. Yep, that's pretty much it. Just a little quick video on the couple different tools and how you would use them and whatnot. Anyway, so like I said, just a little quick video, kind of show you the products, show you them working. This one here, I don't have an opportunity yet to videotape this one while it's being used and show you the benefits of it, but I'll get that shortly. The EECT900, I just kind of wanted to give an overview. This is like my second time using this tool, so I know there's a lot of stuff I missed. One thing I want to cover in a future video is the hot shot feature and battery status feature. Just kind of touch bases on those and show you how to do them. But yeah, so if you don't mind, give my channel a like, the video a like, give me a comment on ways to improve the videos for you guys, and subscribe, check out the future videos. Thanks, y'all have a good one. Later.